Hey everybody, it's December 8th. Out here with Andrew Keene, Wisconsin Trapper. Go look up his YouTube channel.
Oh!
Are you took that one?
Yeah.
He just caught one, so I'll show you that.
Decent. Oh, got some weeds.
A lot of weeds.
Yuck. Messed up my hole.
There's the guppy. Got the Vexlar and the heaters going. Really cold today. Hopefully we can put you on some fish and hopefully we can get a beat on them.
My freaking hole now.
Good one. So, stay tuned for some more catches in Wisconsin.
You know I'm gonna rip that pole up right there. Look at that bass.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
What is it?
It's a northern.
In the hole?
Yep, he's in. He's pretty damn close.
Jesus Christ. Gotta be decent size. A little bit. Oh yeah. Jesus Christ. That's a decent northern.
That is a decent northern.
If I can get him up the hole, sitting on the bottom of the ice. I might snag.
Nope.
That was awesome. Oh! There we go. My hands are frozen.
Good fight, Keene.
Oh.
Nice
That's a
one.
big one. We got him with the old razor up and make him think it's leaving. Yeah, big one.
Just hooked up on one. Good eater.
Oh, here he comes, here he comes.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Here you go.
Suck it in, suck it in.
Doesn't have it.
No! I think you got your waxy. Oh, here, I'm gonna throw this one outside quick. Hopefully Keene can get one here. We'll get that one on video. Stay tuned. We caught a lot of fish today. What did you say that big one slab was?
Pound.
How long do you think it was?
9, 10.
A pretty good size one. We're catching fish here. We're gonna keep pounding at it. Just got hit. Got one. That's funny. Well, we've caught a lot of panfish today, but quite a few keepers. They're all outside the shack. We've been getting put on them, so you know we're marking them down here. So just moving it right above them a little bit, right above their nose. We had the Alka view on them earlier. Pretty finicky. They don't really like. You move it a little bit, go away. So try to stick to the finicky stuff, small. All I've been using is just a little tungsten jig. It's orange and green with a little like diamond on the top and 2 axes. So got an ultralight rod, so it's been working really nice. So stay tuned, hopefully I can put you on some more fish. Hey everybody, what's up? Heading out for the evening bite. This morning we fished for probably 2 hours. Probably caught 25-30 fish, panfish, northern. Seen a couple of bass on camera, tried to get them, but they did not want it. So we're heading up for the evening bite right now. It's about 2 o'clock. When we get out there, we're gonna try catching some panfish, try locating them, get a beat on them. Hopefully catch some nice slabs. Hopefully we can make a little bit longer video. We didn't get many videos this morning of pulling them up, so hopefully we can make that happen. So stay tuned, it's gonna be fun. So, me and Keen are out here. He's videotaping me. I'm videotaping him. Got the eggnog. We're marking some fish down there, man. Put the heater going. Oh, just set the hook on one. Did you get it? Okay, set the hook. Oh, god dang, slow guy. We were catching a lot bigger ones earlier, but here's the first one.
Nice.
Little guy. That's the first night bite so far. Hopefully we can put you on some more.
I didn't get you.
Right now, just give me a bite.
Pink sound
Got
tasty.
One. Just hooked up.
Finally.
Hooked up on a little guy, feels like. Oh, it's a crappie.
Woo! Is that crappie? Yeah.
Nice.
Well, we got a northern with a hook in his mouth. Cody can't get it out. That's a decent little crappie.
Nice little crappie.
Better just keep him.
Yep.
Hey, is that eggnog mixed?
No.
Damn.
I wish.
Oh, there you go. Got some crazy marks down there right now. I don't know what the deal is. December 8th, there's about 5 inches down there right now. 5 inches ice right there. So, pretty much keep anything that we catch. Got a little fish fry tonight. So, Keaton's setting up pip-ups. The guy over there was not too happy. I got a fish coming up right now. Hopefully he bites. Skinner just got one. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. It's wrapped around the deucer.
The hook ain't moving anymore.
Oh yeah, it's a keeper.
Slippery little bugger.
Fry him up.
Oh, come on.
You got fish down there constantly, man.
Jesus.
There she be. Nice size one.
Tucked with 2 axes. I pulled up a pretty decent size bluegill.
That's a nice one.
So, you gonna get him unhooked and get back down there? Jesus Christ.
That is a slab. We got one biting right now. Got him. There's more fish down there, but you know, since I can't see if they're big or not, just kind of gotta take what you can get, little guy, and put him back. So, all right, gonna put this fish back here, little guy, little bluegill. Got one.
I got two more over there.
Hang on, I just caught one. That's a keeper.
I need lighter and waxy.
Keen's been catching them over there. We swap shacks.
Yeah.
Here's this one. Nice one. We're gonna keep this one. So look her outside. Would you use all the ones of his?
Yeah.
Oh, nice one. Pretty nice bluegill there. Probably 7-8 inches. We're gonna keep this one too. I think we're up to like 30 some keepers now, so people don't understand, like, it's all about getting way out there, finding the sweet spots, and all we're doing here is just fishing on a river and catching them, just find the right spot, hopping from hole to hole until moving the shack around until we find them. So that's all we've been doing, just find them, mark them, drop it down, get down the right of way as soon as you find them. Once you find a sweet spot for a little bit, take all the fish, and then, well, move again. So that's what we've been doing. It's been working good. We've been catching a lot of big ones, from 8 to 9. We've caught a couple 9 ones, so stay tuned. Well, this is gonna end our video today. Had a pretty good day on the ice, went in for lunch, then came back out, caught a couple more, but not as many as there was in the morning, but we caught quite a few. 31 panfish with 1 crappie, 1 decent northern. Had quite a few flags today, put most of them all back, but yeah, it was a good day out on the ice. We got quite a few, so got a couple nice 9-inch ones. So fishing on the river here. So this is a good video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment if you have any questions. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more Killer Miller Outdoors. See you next time.